have a few other services, like for example, backend work development. But basically, what we did it was create a website for this real estate agencies, and in a short deadline, we need to get this in 6 weeks. We have all the knowledge for the other sites, NHS and Move, but we want to add more features only for real estate agents, and we wanted to add a new protocol for single sign-on protocol, but to let the agents log in our site without add the user and password, right? So this was really interesting because we know what we have, but we need to do some changes, brand changes on the branding, changes on the data, changes on what we show, but we focus on set a schedule for all this work and meet that date, right? It's 6 weeks. So we found we checked what kind of resources we can add on this project. So we use the same resources we have in NHS in the other sites to avoid issues with the knowledge, and just put it and focus on the code, that what was the important thing. So as I mentioned, we added this single sign-on functionality with some third-party product. So we had like 3 days to understand how it works, the API and these kind of things. So the good thing is we were able to meet the date, so that's why we are here. And that's pretty much what Lee was talking some minutes ago. We have these solutions. We have the markets for the builders. We have some sites only for builders. Another site for the buyers, and we were missing the real estate agents. So after this project, we could cover all these the 3 markets. So that's why we got this NHS Pro solution. What was the challenge? The challenge was include single sign-on in a short term of time, create private CRM for this solution. The agents can add some alerts, send some brochures for their clients. They can, for example, set meetings with the people, with the clients, and all these CRM tools that could be in a website. We worked in Final Solution to do just a few tweaks to add new branding, new look and feel for every customer. So that's mean we can just, using a CMS tool, just adding the styles and the logos, and then they can look like brand site for these partners. I mentioned about the time frame. So about the best practices we tried to do on this project was we used Scrum methodology with working with ASP.NET MVC 3, working with jQuery 2. We used a component space product for SSO protocol. All the developers that worked on this project was Microsoft certified developers. So in that part, we didn't struggle with that part, with knowledge on this platform. So it was really smooth. So the results we had on this was, Lee can help me in this slide.